You want more, maybe more money, more happiness, more business clients? Try giving it away.
That is the advice from the author of this book right here, The Path to Wealth by Mae McCarthy. And I'm guessing it's a little like what you put out into the universe, you get back. So Mae is with us. She is a CEO, an angel investor, and now an author. Mae, thank you for being with us here today.
Thanks so much.
So tell me, how does this work?
So giving has been proven to help people feel more satisfaction and happiness and actually live longer and healthier lives. There have been a number of studies that have been done by major universities across the country that have taken groups of people and shown that those that volunteer, those that give, those that share, end up receiving so much more in return, including longer and happier lives.
So let's get specific. If we're feeling underappreciated at work, we're looking at some folks at work, what do we do?
Well, what I advise people to do is to go ahead and figure out a way that you can start giving appreciation to others. I have a friend that's an accounting manager, and she started to give appreciation to other people. She was at that point where she was going to quit.
Yeah.
And as she did that, very short time later, she found her vice president of her company walking down the hallway, drops to his knees, starts flailing his arms in homage to thank her and her staff for finding an accounting error that could have cost the company thousands of dollars.
She got her appreciation,
She felt very appreciated.
Talk to me about time. How do we get more time?
Well, find someone that's as busy as you are, maybe even a little more busy, and actually offer time to them. Tell them you'll take their dog for a walk or run an errand for them. And if you do that, first of all, you'll feel satisfaction, but you'll find that you'll be able to make it to meetings earlier, on time. It just somehow happens that you receive more time in return.
Grow time.
Grow time. Einstein time.
Oh man, I want to do that. And how about our health? We all want to be healthier.
Well, as you're giving health away, which is cook a meal, share it with some people, ask your friends to go for a walk with you, as you're giving health away, what ends up happening is you stop focusing on your bad health. And your body gets an opportunity to heal. You're feeling greater satisfaction and happiness. So all of that works together to help you receive better health in return.
What are we going to learn in this book here?
Oh my gosh, if you want to attain your goals or you've struggled attaining really big goals, this is a great book. It gives you a how-to, very simple practice. What Inc. magazine said about it was that it trains your brain for success. So we do have a workshop, so we'd love to have people come.
And the workshop is happening today at 1 o'clock. Where is it?
It's at Creative Living Fellowship right on 7th Street, right down the road.
And it's $40. Tickets are still available. And we were chatting during the commercial break and telling me about a very specific incident where you bumped into someone who would be a new client. Tell me about this story.
Well, one of the things that happens when you use this practice is it ends up activating your subconscious and your intuition to show you how to realize your goals. And when you do that, you're able to get these intuitive messages that Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Oprah rely on. I got one while I was on a trip in Cleveland, drove across town to another grocery store, and as I was walking in, a potential client was walking out at the same time that ended up turning into a contract worth over $500,000.
And this is someone you were trying to chase down and hadn't gotten the return call yet.
Exactly.
There you go. You listened to your gut and it worked out for you.
Intuition will steer you the right direction all the time.
Where can we get this book?
You can get it at any online retailers, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and certainly from my website.
Awesome. The Path to Wealth is the name. Thank you so much. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much.
And again, the workshop is today at 1 o'clock at the Creative Living Fellowship.
Creative Living
Living Fellowship. We'll be right back.